Hello, this is Moblint. In this video, we will assemble using a high-performance bowing ultrameter with a pedal assist torque sensor and a dedicated frame that supports 27.5 and 29-inch wheels.